guys, welcome to my YouTube channel BeeCraftyy, and hi, I am Rutika. I make arts and craft videos, mainly DIY ones, and it has been long that I have shot one video. It is after 2 years I am coming back on YouTube, and I hope this time I would be consistent enough posting videos every week. And today's video is organizer because personally me, I cannot find earrings at last moment and I end up wearing the same every time. So I thought of making this, and this is like the easiest and the cheapest way. I thought of buying one, but on Amazon, Flipkart, it is already showing 400 to 350, and I'm not ready to spend any money on such things. So let's get into it, and I really hope this video is useful to you.
So only thing that you require is a paper bag, and that's it. And see that it can hold the weight of all the earrings that you are going to put in. So we would require only these two sides. The rest you can cut it out. If you want to, you can decorate it as well. Now you just need to poke holes, and that's it. Your DIY earring organizer is ready. And this is how it looks.
I really hope this video was helpful to you as well, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it. It would really mean a lot to me, and I would be making more such videos every week. So until then, let's meet in the next video. Bye. Thanks.